तो Akshay Sharma, it's
Yes.
really a pleasure to host you after such a long time. In fact, it is a pleasure to even see you after such a long time because हम बहुत टाइम से ना मिले ना हमने एक दूसरे से कोई वो कांटेक्ट हो पाया. तो first, and let us start with the very basics. कि tell me your experience in SMVDU.
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, in fact, it's my privilege कि I have got an opportunity to interact with you. And regarding SMVDU, sir, my experience revolves around when I joined SMVDU in 2012. In 2012, I joined SMVDU for BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. And those 4 years, I would say, were the best phase of my life. Was the best phase of my life so far.
So how was your life in SMVDU in the sense कि क्या क्या करते थे पढ़ाई लिखाई को छोड़ के hobbies या friends या क्या क्या चीजें की यहाँ पे?
So SMVDU was more of a fun apart from the academic activities because I got to interact with lot of people like a mini India model that we had here in SMVDU. Because in J&K we don't have that much of institutions like the campus. Now we have an IIT here. NIT is definitely in Srinagar, but for SMVDU, such an institution with a diverse, the students with diverse background. यहाँ पे right from the very south, if I remember, there were my batchmates like there was G. Santosh Nag, and they were from south. Then there were from Assam as well, right from northeast. Apart from that, they were from the west, north India, J&K and Delhi, सब जगह से थे. तो फर्स्ट तो सर ये मिनी इंडिया मॉडल जो था, डिफरेंट व्यू पॉइंट्स मिले, डिफरेंट उनके कल्चर्स को जानने का मौका मिला. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट सर, जो फैकल्टी है इट्स टोटली इट्स आल्सो फ्रॉम डाइवर्स बैकग्राउंड, स्पेशली द फिलॉसफी डिपार्टमेंट. आई वुड से सर द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस आई हैड विद फिलॉसफी डिपार्टमेंट अपार्ट फ्रॉम माय ओन डिपार्टमेंट. एंड आई थिंक ये सबके साथ ऐसा ही था, सब स्टूडेंट्स के साथ. They would say that the best relations they had in their departments was not with their own department but with the philosophy department for the kind of teachers we had there. Baki sir activities mein we had sports for sure, cricket, that it was day and night, it was cricket. I'm excluding the academic activities because academic to hota hi hai sab institutions mein. Apart from that, there was table tennis, there was volleyball, basketball. We used to play, in fact, cricket on the basketball ground for the want of lights there because lights रात को available नहीं होती थी. So sir, it was totally fun apart from the canteen, and I remember the grocery, the tuck shop, सब चीजें.
Okay, very nice. So Akshay, tell me, after you passed out in 2016, what was it, or means whether you started preparing for KAS before or say when you were in SMVDU, or once you passed out you started preparing for it?
So I had this in my mind कि I will be preparing for civil services right from my college days. In fact, from first year onwards, I had an inkling कि मुझे civil services की तरफ जाना. तो I had my orientation that ways only, क्योंकि मैं technical side कभी मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया ही नहीं अपने graduation में. तो I opted for the elective subjects in such a manner कि they contribute to my own studies. So दो मैं मतलब डेडिकेटली पढ़ाई नहीं कर पा रहा था SMVDU में because बहुत चीज़ों को मैनेज करना था अपना.
I know.
जी सर. But yes, माइंड में था कि मुझे सिविल सर्विसेज ही करना है. And after I passed in 2016, उसके बाद I committed to civil services only because जो TCS वगैरह का placement हम लोगों का हुआ था, I joined that and I started preparing for it.
Okay. तो ये जो preparation है, ये you started in your first year only or you started in your second year?
Sir, first year से मतलब I was collecting the syllabus like सब जिसको I was a novice in this field because I didn't have any guidance. तो इंटरनेट पे जो कुछ आर्टिकल मिलता था या फिर आई वुड से मैगजीन्स लाइक प्रतियोगिता दर्पण एंड CSR, आई यूज्ड टू कलेक्ट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग एंड सी व्हाट द इंटरव्यूज ऑफ द टॉपर्स से, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट एनी न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट. It was more of a haphazard collection of things rather than substantiating my study.
Okay.
So It
So
went on.
once you passed out, how you started with your preparations?
Yes, sir. Sir, once I passed out in the final year, in the last phase of my final year, मुझे ये idea हो चुका था कि मुझे इसके लिए prepare full time करना है. तो I was fortunate enough to have some guidance कि let myself move towards Delhi. क्योंकि वहाँ I would be having best opportunity, क्योंकि J&K में as we know there are internet issues and all. Proper guidance का भी issue है. तो I moved to Delhi. I joined an institute there. So simultaneously, I was preparing for UPSC and state services as well, KS as well. So I was fortunate enough कि 2018 से जो है syllabus जो था pattern align हो गया दोनों का. So I didn't have to do much.
Okay. So what were your optional subjects?
Yes, sir. Sir, 2016 का जो एक पहले KS का हुआ pre, then it was based on old pattern. तो उसमें ये होता था जैसे यूपीएससी का पुराना पैटर्न होता था कि देयर वर 2 ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट्स एंड जीएस एंड ऑल. तो उस टाइम पे आई हैड ऑप्टेड फॉर पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड हिस्ट्री. तो दैट वर माय ऑप्शनल्स. सो आई डिडंट फेयर वेल एनफ इन बोथ, सो couldn't qualify mains that year. Then fortunately the syllabus, the pattern changed, so we had to opt for only one optional. So I had been preparing for public administration from past 2-3 years. I opted for public administration only. And in this successful attempt, I had public administration as my option.
Okay. तो मतलब कि जैसे कि if I talk about the schedule, कि like suppose if you are in Delhi and you are preparing, so suppose you are going to a coaching institute and you also have to go for self study, तो कितना time देते हो preparation में और कैसे देते हो, मतलब कि what is your schedule from say morning till night?
Sir, my schedule, my day started around 6:30 in the morning, whether it was winters or summers, because I had two classes in the day, one around 8:30 and one around 11 or 11:30. So it went on from like 6:30 till 2:30. I would be in the institute only. And after that मुझे अपना जो newspaper था, I used to cover newspaper. It took starting में took around 3 hours. कभी 3.5 घंटे भी लग जाते थे. Then gradually that came down to 2 hours, 1.5 hour, but it was matter of time. Apart from that, sir, जो जितना कुछ पढ़ा रहता था वो सब I used to revise जो भी पढ़ा है वहाँ पे इंस्टीट्यूट में. इसकी क्लास नेक्स्ट होने वाली है नेक्स्ट डे. I used to get an idea कि किस टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन होने वाली है या क्या पढ़ने वाले हम लोग. So whole day went around that thing only. Till 12:30. So I could barely manage to cover what I had studied in the day along with newspapers. So once coaching finished, then I had some time at my disposal. So
तो कोचिंग कितने महीने की होती है?
Sir, it depends. अगर आप ऑप्शनल की कोचिंग लेते हैं सिर्फ ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट की, it goes around for 4 months only. But जो जनरल स्टडीज की कोचिंग है, it went for about 9 months, I guess. Yes, 9 months.
अच्छा, okay.